Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 319 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is called Ease In, a gentle invitation to settle into your day with softness. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Let your body loosen a little. Let your mind soften its grip. There is no need to rush into anything. You are simply easing in. Notice the calm that comes when you allow yourself to arrive slowly, without pressure or expectation. Now, say to yourself, I ease into this moment. I welcome calm, and I move gently. Let each breath guide you deeper into ease, as if the tension is melting a little more with every exhale. When you are ready, bring yourself back to the present moment and carry this sense of ease with you through your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.